साल 2026 के लिए ब्लू स्टार ने नए कूलिंग प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च किए हैं और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं बी थियागराजन, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ब्लू स्टार लिमिटेड। तो सर, पहला प्रश्न मेरा आपसे यही है कि आपके लिए बड़ा मार्केट कौन सा है, B2B और B2C?
B2C as well as B2B, but we are market leaders in B2B.
तो अभी जो नए प्रोडक्ट्स आपने लॉन्च किए हैं, इनको लेकर आपकी क्या स्ट्रेटजीज़ है?
Number one is that we should have products at all price points, whether it is a premium, whether it is affordable range, whether it is heavy duty, or whether it is connected with the state-of-the-art features like Wi-Fi, AI, and whether it is hot and cold. So we should be present across all ranges. That is the first strategy. Second strategy is whether we are comparable with any other product across the world. That is the second one. Third is that we should offer world-class service and customer experience. That's how we have grown. That's why we are gaining market share every year, and that has been the strategy. We have maintained that this year as well.
जैसे कि आपने बताया कि टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर आप इस साल काफ़ी ज़्यादा फोकस करने वाले हैं, तो टेक्नोलॉजीज़ में जिस तरीके से AI काफ़ी ज़्यादा इवॉल्व हो रहा है और हर किसी प्रोडक्ट्स में, जैसे कि जो स्मार्टफोन बनाने वाली कंपनीज़ हैं, उनके जो AC प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उसमें भी AI वगैरह वो प्रॉपर पूरा एक इकोसिस्टम तैयार कर रही हैं। तो ऐसे कुछ प्लान्स हैं क्या ब्लू स्टार के, या फिर AI इंटीग्रेशन हम देख
I
सकते हैं?
think eventually all companies will have to embrace it one way or other. See, you remember very first time ERP came in, whether you are adopting, it will be adopted. Eventually AI is a reality, it will be adopted. Now because it is new, we are all anxious how it will work, what will happen, etc. But I have a feeling everyone, it will become a way of life. Like we all adopted mobile phones or computers or emails, it is another thing that will have to be accepted and leveraged. Tell me today, all of us use the apps like Gemini or ChatGPT. It will become a way of life. So I'm not so much worried about it. But how productively we can use in order to serve the consumer better. Like whether I can provide a different kind of experience to the customer. That's where our focus is.
अच्छा, जिस तरीके से आपने अभी बात की थी आफ्टर सेल सर्विस को लेकर, तो जो टियर 2, टियर 3 जो सिटीज़ है, जो शहर हैं, जैसे थोड़े ग्रामीण इलाके भी आ जाते हैं, वहाँ पर ब्लू स्टार किस तरीके से काम कर रहा है? एंड सबसे ज़्यादा शिकायतें आती हैं कि जो सर्विसिंग में है उसमें थोड़ा सा डिले होता है।
Connected with whether you will be able to predict what will be the service requirement, because different machines are of different technology. Different machines at different period it was sold. One is a 8-year-old, 7-year-old, 6-year-old, 3-year-old. And the usage patterns are different, right? People use 8 hours, people use 3 hours, people use 24 hours. Next is climate conditions of that location is different. So the technology is used in order to understand in this climate zone, this age mission, how it will perform. So you go ahead and ensure you are able to predict what is the failure. Therefore, you are having enough number of people in the field to deliver. Like Pizza Hut or Domino's or a Swiggy knows how many riders are need for delivering breakfast, lunch or dinner. Whether I will be able to predict on 15th of May in Ghaziabad how many technicians I need. That's where we will use the technology. That is the direction.
अगर हम जैसे बात करते हैं 10 साल पहले जिस हिसाब से ब्लू स्टार में टेक्नोलॉजीज़ थी, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा रिलायबल प्रोडक्ट्स बोलते थे लोग कि आराम से 4-5 साल कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती थी, बस सर्विस में जो लगता था। बट अब जो है रिलायबिलिटी थोड़ी सी कम देखने को मिल रही है और लोगों को शिकायतें ये है कि सर्विस में ज़्यादा उन लोगों को ध्यान देना पड़ता है।
It is not true. See, it may appear to be so, but the thing is really there are two things that are happening, right? Number one, you are indigenizing in India now, so there is a learning curve. Okay, many components which are now not coming from abroad, you are making it here. So therefore there will be a learning curve. So that is why you get that feeling. Second is it has become fully electronic and digital. So the voltage conditions, temperature condition, dust conditions, it is a question of time before this is also fixed. You will have a product like a television or mobile phone, it never fails. Why it should fail? Your mobile phone doesn't fail, right? From the day you buy, it doesn't. This product also will be like that. That is what the industry is working for, and that's what we are working for.
साउथ
So
इंडिया
your observation may be right. It appears to have come down, but that is because of this reason.
पॉइंट साउथ इंडिया में सर अगर हम देखते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी रहती है, आपको तो बताइए वहाँ ब्लू स्टार किस तरीके से काम कर रहा है साउथ की तरफ?
We are market leaders there. We do much better in south than in north. If we are number 4, 5 in north, we are number 2
In south.
south.